In this video, I will show you how to connect Steam to Rockstar Games. To do this, as you can see, I've currently got the Rockstar Games launcher opened, but what you want to do is actually open up Steam and log into your account. Now, once you've done that, you want to come and click onto your games library in the top left-hand corner, and from here, you want to come down to the bottom left-hand corner and click the Add a Game option. From this menu that comes up, you want to click the option which says Add a non-Steam game. What it's going to do is open a window like this, and it's going to scan your computer or laptop for all your installed games and apps. What you can do is see if you can spot the Rockstar Games launcher in here. So it is in alphabetical order. You can see mine's here, but if you can't see it, come and click onto Browse, which can open up your computer's file explorer. And then what you want to do is come to your PC, go into your C drive, then Program Files, and you want to search for the Rockstar Games folder. So it's in alphabetical order, so if you come down to R, you should see it here. Double click, and then double click onto the launcher folder, and what you want to do is add the actual launcher app from here. So you can click open. What it's going to do is that should add it to the list, as you can see. After you've done that, just click onto the blue add selected programs button, and as you can see, that's going to add the Rockstar Games launcher and connect it to Steam. So that is how to connect Steam to Rockstar Games. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe for more simple Steam and tech tutorials. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.